Hello. Yes, welcome to your speaking task today. I am teacher Maggie. Okay, so how about you, Ina? Can you please introduce yourself? What's your name?
My name is Ina.
All right, good job. How old are you, Ina?
I'm 4 years old.
Wow, you are 4. And where are you from?
I
I'm
from
from.
am
I'm from.
is from
Yes.
Vietnam.
No. Can you say that again? I'm from.
I'm from Vietnam.
Very good. How are you today, Ina? I'm.
From
Oh, you're sad. Can you say I'm
I'm happy
today?
today.
Okay, you are happy today. So, are you ready now to begin your speaking test? Wow, great job, Ina. So, look at the picture, Ina. Can you tell me what can you see in the picture?
It is soft.
No, it's a trousers.
Trouser.
Can you say that again, Ina? It's a trousers.
It's a trouser.
Very good, Ina. How about this? Yeah. Okay, it's a hat. One more time, Ina. Can you say that again? One sticker for Ina. It's
A hat.
oh, wow, great job, Ina. And how about this? Oh, can you say it's
A chocolate.
wow, nice, Ina. How about this?
It's a
T. It's a T.
It's a pizza.
Wow, great job, Ina. Can you tell me where's the dress? Okay, click it, click only, click. Just click it, click. One, two, three, click. What's that again?
It's a
Dress.
chester.
Oh, it's a
Chest.
it's a dress. You're joking, teacher. Where's the hat? Where's
It's
the hat?
a
Can you click it? What's that again?
it's a hat.
Wow, I think I will give you 2 stickers. How about this?
It's a bag.
Wow, and what's the color of the vest?
Blue.
Blue. So can you say it's a blue vest?
It's a blue bag.
Wow, great job. How,
It's a car.
what's the color of the car? It's a
Yellow
yellow.
car.
Very good. It's a yellow car. Where is ride a bike? Wow, can you say ride a bike?
Bye.
Okay, great job. 3 stickers now. How about this? What can you see in the picture?
Picture.
Yeah, what can you see? What's the color? Color?
Is pink.
Yes, pink.
Yellow.
Fla, flower.
Flower.
It's a pink flower.
It's a pink
Flower.
flower.
All right. How about this?
Ah.
Wow, what's the color of the frog?
Blue.
Is it blue? Oh,
No.
no, what's the color?
Green.
Yeah, so can you say it's
A
green?
green.
Green.
Flower.
Very good, Ina. How about this? It's
A
it's a
a
what's the color? What's the color, Ina?
blue.
Okay, it's blue. And what's that? What animal is that? It's a
Petal.
bird. Bluebird.
Ruler.
Can you say that again? It's
Is
a
a blue bird.
wow, great job, Ina. And the last one, Ina. Can you tell me where's the worm? Okay, what's that again?
Warm.
Warm. Can you say warm?
Warm.
Okay, great job, Ina. Good job, well done. That's the end of your speaking test. You did a great job. Okay, before we end, can you say goodbye?